MX Business Breaks. You're welcome back. In our very first story, the Bank of Ghana has been admitted as a member of the Basel Consultative Group. This makes Ghana one of 4 countries in Africa, including Tunisia, Mauritius, and Nigeria, that are members of the group. The Bank of Ghana, in a statement announcing its membership, said it remains committed to promoting the safety and soundness of Ghana's banking sector through effective regulation and supervision. But what does this new status mean? There's more in this report.
The Basel Consultative Group is one of the 5 working groups that forms the internal structure of the Basel Committee for Banking Supervision, the global standard-setting body for the supervision of banks. Members of the BCBS is limited to G20 countries. Hence, the Basel Consultative Group provides a platform for the Basel Committee for Banking Supervision to engage with non-members. The Basel Consultative Group is one of the 5 working groups that forms the internal structure of the Basel Committee for Banking Supervision, the global standard-setting body for the supervision of banks. Membership of the BCBS is limited to G20 countries. Hence, the Basel Consultative Group provides a platform for the Basel Committee for Banking Supervision to engage with non-members, thereby facilitating broader dialogue around the work with banking supervisory authorities, such as the Bank of Ghana, and promoting supervisory cooperation and implementing supervisory standard and best practice. The Bank of Ghana's membership is expected to increase the exposure of its banking supervisory staff to best practice in the supervision of banks and strengthen its cooperation with other supervisory authorities around the world.
Now, following the passage of the Payment Systems and Services Act 2019, Act 987, on licensing application pack for payment service providers, the Bank of Ghana has announced for the information of the general public institutions approved to operate as payment service providers. The move, according to the central bank, is to save the unsuspecting public from being duped by unapproved institutions. There's more in this report.
Institutions include 5 dedicated electronic money issuers and 25 payment service providers. The institutions include Airtel Money Commerce Limited, GCBG Money, Yap Ghana Limited, Vodafone Mobile Financial Services Limited, ZPay Ghana Limited, Apps and Mobile Solutions Limited, B Systems Limited, Cellulant Ghana Limited, Dream Mobile Limited, Emergent Payments Ghana Limited, X-Transact Limited, Express Pay Ghana Limited, Fast Pay Transfer Limited, Global Accelerators Ghana Limited, Halks Financial Technologies Limited, Haptel Limited, IT Consortium Limited, MFS Ghana Limited, Mall Limited, and Fortex Ghana Limited, Insano Limited, PaySwitch Ghana Limited, Transnet Payments Ghana Limited, TechFin Innovations Limited, Zap Ghana Limited, and Titan Payment Systems. The development follows the passage of the Payment Systems and Services Act 2019, Act 987, in accordance with the licensing application pack for payment service providers. The Act amended and consolidated the laws relating to payment systems and payment services and to regulate institutions that carry on payment services and electronic money business and to provide for related matters. According to the central bank, these institutions have received regulatory approval to do business with the public.
MTN mobile money vendors are lamenting what they describe as a lack of awareness on the no ID, no cash out policy. The policy, according to MTN, is meant to eliminate fraud by ensuring mobile money customers present a valid ID card that matches the name on the mobile money account before they can make a cash out transaction. But vendors say the development is affecting their business.
Yes, it's affecting the business because not everybody have a smartphone to at least take a picture of his or her ID card on the phone. So some people don't come here to withdraw money, and if they are coming to withdraw money, they don't have the ID, and you can't use your own ID to withdraw. Maybe you don't know the person, you don't know where the person is coming from. So if MTN can do something about it for us, at least not everybody that is educated the way some people from village before they come here, some to they don't hear the thing at all before they come. So if they can do any education about it for us, it will help us. That's the only thing. Because me, I'm a customer. If some people, if they came like, they want them to send the money to you, they push the charge on it, they don't want. Because maybe they thought the charge like is more, I don't know. Since they've started, I came to work yesterday. They started on Friday. Friday I wasn't here. So I came to work yesterday. And yesterday, I think I lost people like 5 people who don't have their ID card on them.
And finally, the Ghana Investment Promotion Center says the Year of Return initiative has opened countless investment opportunities which the center intends to leverage. According to the head of Diaspora Investment Desk of the center, Marina Bansa, the diaspora community has the potential to invest and help grow the Ghanaian economy. The center is, however, calling on investors to seek insight on investment opportunities in the country.
The success of the Year of Return initiative, the GIPC established the Diaspora Investment Desk to create a new stream of investments for the Ghanaian economy by encouraging our diaspora community to come invest, build, and aid the President's vision of having a Ghana beyond aid. The diaspora community have the potential to contribute immensely to national development. Most of these contributions are in the form of remittances, direct investments, transferable knowledge and skills, and networks which are essential to the development of a knowledge-based economy. There are numerous opportunities in Ghana, and I welcome our diaspora community to connect with the Ghana Investment Promotion Center to explore the investment opportunities in various sectors such as the energy sector, real estate, education, and many more. From 2021 and beyond, we have many programs lined up for our diaspora community. We have the second edition of the Diaspora Business Breakfast Meeting, which was very successful, and we have the Taste of Ghana. We have many other programs lined up, such as the Diaspora and the AFCFTA, the Diaspora and the SDGs, as well as the Diaspora and the CARES program. I want to take this opportunity to encourage the diaspora community to come grow in Ghana and grow with Ghana.
And that's how we end today's edition of MX Business Breaks. With me, Ifwa Evans Chinwe. Keep watching MX24. Have a good afternoon.